going to unbox Tata Chair Series 2. So I'm going to show you what you can expect from the box. Okay. Yep. There's a Tata chair and with some documents. Yeah. Okay. I think it's a instruction. I think it's a multilingual instruction. I think they're English, I think French and Japanese and Chinese. Yes, multilingual. The instruction how to open it. Yeah. And there is an English user manual. I think it's more details. Tell you more detail about how to see it and how to open the Tata chair. Oh, this is warranty and the after sale service. Yeah, that is a 1 year warranty from the original purchase date. Yeah, 1 year. Okay. Okay. This